You ever have one of those days where everything's quiet except your ears? That high-pitched buzz, that constant ringing, almost like your own personal alarm that never shuts off? Yeah, I was living with that for months. And let me tell you, it'll mess with your sleep, your focus, even your mood. It drained me. But here's where things get interesting. I wasn't looking for a miracle. I just wanted something real. And out of sheer frustration, I stumbled on something called Neuroquiet. I didn't expect much, honestly, but this stuff shocked me. Neuroquiet isn't a pill, a patch, or some weird ear contraption. It's actually a spray. That's right. Just 2 full sprays under the tongue in the morning and 4 before bed. You hold it under your tongue for 20 seconds, then swallow. Easy. No swallowing pills, no weird side effects. Just clean, fast-absorbing support. Oh, and don't eat or drink anything for 30 minutes before or after. That way you absorb the full power of it. And trust me, you'll want every drop working for you. So what's in this little bottle? Nothing but pure, science-backed ingredients. You've got alpha-GPC for brain clarity, GABA to calm that frazzled nervous system, L-dopamine to turn down the ringing, and L-arginine to boost blood flow right where it matters most, your ears and brain. After about 10 days, I noticed something. My mornings felt clearer, my nights were quieter, and for the first time in forever, I didn't dread bedtime. I started waking up rested, more focused, and honestly, just happier. It didn't fix everything overnight, but it gave me myself back. And that's priceless. Now listen carefully, and I mean this. Do not buy Neuroquiet on Amazon or random sites. There are counterfeits out there. And with your health, you don't gamble. The official website is the only place you should get it. That's where I ordered mine. You get real product, backed by a 90-day money-back guarantee, plus awesome bonuses like a memory sharpening guide and herbal tea remedies. It's a total no-brainer. One bottle is $179, and honestly, worth every cent. But if you can, grab the 6-bottle bundle. It's what I went for. You save money, get free shipping, and give your body time to fully respond to it. So, if you're tired of the ringing, if you've been craving quiet, and if you want your clarity back, take the leap. Try Neuroquiet today. Click the link below, order your bottle, and let your mind finally rest. You'll be amazed at how powerful silence can feel. Thanks for watching, and here's to peace, clarity, and hearing life the way it was meant to be.